This is a Pepsi Cola production plant. A large number of recycled glass bottles are sent into the washing machine. After high-temperature cleaning and sterilization, a new and shiny glass bottle is ready. Next, the secret recipe is used to make Pepsi. This Coke syrup is produced in only 3 factories worldwide. It is blended in a uniform manner in Coke production plants around the world. After that, water and sugar are added to the syrup. This is how easy it is to make Coke. Next, a fully automated filling machine completes the filling and capping process at the same time. Then the label is applied and the product is ready for sale. Of course, the plastic bottle is the main part of the production line. The PET bottle starts out as a test tube. The bottles are blow molded in metal molds like this to form our common bottles. The whole process is very fast and must be slowed down to be seen. The process of putting in the PET bottle and taking out the Coke bottle. Then the bottle is sent to the canning line. Again, the canning and capping process is completed simultaneously. The entire production process is completed in one go. All that's left to do is to apply the classic blue label. Next, each bottle will be photographed in the inspection area. Any defective Coke will be pushed out of the production line immediately. At the same time, each batch of cola will be quality checked by laboratory personnel. Firstly, the filling level of the Coke is checked. Then the Coke is shaken evenly and sucked out to measure the sweetness, etc. After all the tests, it is finally ready to be packaged and released.